In our men's discussion series, we are now on question number 15. Question number 15. How do the melting of Arctic Sea and glaciers of Antarctica differently affect the weather pattern and human activities on Earth? Now this question is weather pattern and human activities. Now this question asks both physical and human geographical aspect of Arctic and Antarctic ice or glacier melting. In this type of question, yes, you can start. There is no doubt that it's noticeable because of global warming. Because of global warming, there is no doubt that glaciers are noticeably retreating, which poses a challenge in front of today's world. Now this melting of these glaciers is of different rate, there is no doubt. Here only you should mention or differentiate between Arctic and Antarctic glaciers. Antarctic ग्लेशियर, यहीं आपको डिफ्रेंशिएट कर देना है आर्कटिक और एंटार्क्टिक में, बिकॉज यू नो आर्कटिक इज़ मोर ऑफ थिन ग्लेशियर एज कंपेयर टू एंटार्क्टिक. एंटार्क्टिका हैविंग अ थिक आइस शीट having thickness of 2 to 3 kilometer, but it's not there in Arctic Ocean. Apart from this, Arctic Ocean is covered with land masses, but in Antarctica it's completely covered with oceans. So these are the differentiating points. Now because of this, in Arctic region there is a huge population density. It's not that, but why we are here comparing with Antarctica. To Antarctica region where is a limited or almost negligible in terms of population. So Arctic or Antarctica में it is mostly ocean dominated glaciers, but here it is land dominating. In Antarctica, land dominating glaciers. That's why they are thicker as compared to this Antarctic region. This Arctic glaciers. After writing down that much, now here you come to on how they are differently, how it affects. That is the body part of your question, the weather and human activities. Now here it's up to you if you want to write down in tabulation form Arctic Ocean or Arctic glacier, or here Antarctic glacier. It's up to you. You want to write down in here in bullet form, here in this is tabulation form. Even if you not write down here, first you write down the Arctic Ocean and their weather, how it affects the weather and how it affects the human activities. After writing down, write Antarctica, how it affects the weather and human activities. So it's up to you in which way you want to write down. But first I am going to talk you how Arctic glacier affects on weather and human activities. First point, आर्कटिक का ग्लेशियर जब मेल्ट होगा, आर्कटिक ग्लेशियर से सबसे पहले उससे कोल्ड एयर इन्वेजन होगा. कोल्ड एयर इन्वेजन, इससे क्या होगा, जैसे अभी एग्जांपल था पोलर वर्टेक्स, इसका एग्जांपल है पोलर वर्टेक्स. वी हैव सीन इन दैट इन कनाडा रीजन वेयर द कोल्ड एयर मास coming from polar region to landmass area, which affect the local weather of that area. Because of Arctic glaciers melting, there is emergence of this El Nino. एवरी ईयर न्यूज़ में रहता है अल नीनो की फ्रीक्वेंसी इंक्रीज हुई, हायर एमरजेंस ऑफ अल नीनो. आफ्टर दैट देन बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ओशियन करेंट्स अफेक्ट्स. बिकॉज ऑफ ओशियन करेंट्स यहाँ एग्जांपल दे सकते हो आप, जैसे ईस्ट ग्रीनलैंड करंट, ठीक है, दैट जैसे ग्रीनलैंड है, यहाँ है ईस्ट ग्रीनलैंड करंट, लैब्राडोर करंट. these are the cold current which will be going to affect when Arctic glaciation will melt. Because of this change, there is no doubt that world major fishing grounds going to change. Because of this, navigation pattern will change. Because of this, cooler condition will increase, and which is ultimately put a psychological stress to human being. After that, because of melting of ice, new sea trade routes will be going to explore. It's said that because the only country who is going to benefit from glacier melting of Arctic glacier melting is Russia, because Arctic is a huge resource region. When ice will melt, Russia is going to exploit or explore these areas. After that, sea level will going to rise. Because of this, the coastal cities will submerge over a period of time. That is common point in Arctic and Antarctic region. After you can draw down on Antarctica, you can even draw a map, a basic map, that is here Africa. That is the region of Antarctica. Antarctica region, that is for Antarctica. So how melting of Antarctica will going to affect? There is no doubt that because of this melting, increasing water level will add, and ultimately sea level rise, which is common point here also and here also. Second, यहाँ आप देखोगे तो यहाँ से कुछ हमारी ये विंड्स आती हैं जो कोल्ड करंट को लाती हैं, तो दिस विल ऑल्सो गोइंग टू डिस्टर्ब because of melting of Antarctic Ocean. Because of this melting, there is no doubt that the coastal erosion which we are facing today, coastal erosion will going to take place, and ultimately because of this, the livelihood, those who are living in coastal areas, their livelihood going to be affected, the people who are living in coastal areas. Now, in Antarctica region, we know there are many research stations were located. Even our Indian research station were located here. So, because of melting of this Antarctic, these research stations will be going to affect. उसके बाद जब ये वेस्ट वार्ड जो ये गल्फ स्ट्रीम है, जब ये डिस्टर्ब होंगी, इसकी वजह से हमारा मेरीडोनियल सर्कुलेशन है, वो भी अफेक्ट होगा बिकॉज ऑफ अंटार्कटिका ग्लेशियर मेल्टिंग. So because of this, extreme weather events which we are facing today will happen. So after writing down that much, in last paragraph you should write down that yes, because of this glaciers of Arctic and Antarctica have a irreversible consequences for flora and fauna. So which we now, so where we have to focus, we should focus on adopt policies which is sustainably which focusing on sustainable development. Because of this we can minimize the global warming effect को हम minimize कर सकें. So this is the broad overview of this question. Now in this question where the focusing point is, you should provide a map, there is no doubt in this. आर्कटिक मैप का और अंटार्कटिका का आप मैप के साथ इसको एक्सप्लेन करें, बिकॉज इफ़ यू हैव अ मैप देन पॉइंट्स विल कम इन योर माइंड, दैट इज़ ब्रेन स्टॉर्मिंग. एक बेसिक जैसा आप आर्कटिक का एक बेसिक मैप यहाँ प्रोवाइड करती थी, यहाँ पर रशिया, ये रशियन रीजन हो गया, दैट इज़ ग्रीनलैंड रीजन, दैट इज़ कनाडा रीजन. आफ्टर दैट हियर इज़ दिस America and Africa, that is Australia, that is Antarctica. आप एक ब्रॉड मैप दे सकते हैं इसमें, बिकॉज दिस इज ज्योग्राफी क्वेश्चन, तो एटलीस्ट और 250 वर्ड क्वेश्चन, एटलीस्ट वन मैप ज़रूर होना चाहिए इसमें. आफ्टर दैट एंड दैट मच इज सफिशेंट इन योर एग्ज़ाम like condition. So thank you. So please subscribe for more update. Thank you again.